Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file and they're going to cut it and print it, and I know nothing about that, but she's having trouble with her contour, and I can't really tell if this is the contour or this is just part of the color, but I'm going to measure this right here with my parallel dimension tool, and it's 59 millimeters or centimeters. I know nothing about that. I'm going to change my nudge factor. So this whole thing is like 8.5, so I'm going to change my nudge factor to 10. And I'm going to take that, I'm going to nudge it apart. So I don't know if she wants to just contour this, but you could contour this and go up to Object and ungroup it, and then you can make a boundary. And then move your boundary out of the way, left click, right click, and now you have a contour. And if you double click on your pen tool and make this a hairline, I would make it red, that's going to cut out. So it will cut that butterfly out. Now, if she wants to contour that, beyond that, you've got to have a contour line to make a contour line to cut. So I'm going to go to Effects, Contour. I'm going to contour 50. And that's evidently not in centimeters. It says it is. Let's just contour 2 right now and see what happens. See, it's not working, so let's contour 1. That's pretty close to what you had. Let's go 0.75. That's your contour. Then you could go up to Object and break contour apart and grab that. And then if that's what you wanted, you're done. But I would double click on this even with a hairline, and laser engravers make this red so we'll know it's a cut line. That would work. Now, if you wanted that color and you still want it to cut out, you can take your eyedropper tool, your color eyedropper, grab that color and put it in that well. Now that didn't work too well, but let's do this. Let's move our contour out of the way. Use our color swat, color eyedropper tool, grab that color, put it there. And then we're going to go and go to Object and Order, put it to the back of the page. And then when we move it over, it'll be that. Now I don't know about printing, but that would work. Now I just happen to notice there's a couple of, when you ever see a wavy line like that, it's because of right here. So maybe before you do all that work, you want to take your shape tool and click on that and get that line closer to that line and closer to that line, and then bring this line up. And once I said again, I don't know anything about, so that's what's making this hump right there, because you've got a hump in the deal. Now if that's okay, let's take our shape. Let's left click for a second, right click, take the shape tool and go right here and select them all and type in about 20 here. That'll get rid of a lot of those shapes. Let's go back and fill it in again with the eyedropper tool. What it does, it takes a sample of that, and there you go, and it's a lot smoother. I was thinking if you're going to cut it, you would want it smoother. Anyway, hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.